Good morning, my dear students. This is Neeraj Kumar, your English teacher. Today I am here to explain you a new poem from class 5th, that is Malu Bhalu. I hope you will be listening to me very carefully. So here I start. At the very starting, I would like to tell you that it is the story of a little polar bear. So now let's continue. High up in an icy layer lived a little polar bear. My dear students, here is a new word, that is lair. Lair means wild animals lying place. Means it is the place where wild animals means rest or lie or stay. So icy means full of ice. High up, that actually stands for height. So very high, at a very height, and it was like there was a layer that was surrounded by ice, that was covered by ice at a height. There lived a little polar bear. मीन्स एक हाइट पर एक लेयर थी दैट वॉज एक्चुअली कवर्ड विद आइस वेयर अ लिटिल पोलर बियर यूज टू लिव. वहाँ पर एक लिटिल पोलर बियर रहा करता था. स्नो वाइट, स्नो ब्राइट वॉज हर मेन. मालू भालू वॉज हर नेम. So again here comes a new word, that is mane. Mane means long hair on the neck of some animals. That means there are some animals and having long hair on the neck. तो कुछ जानवर होते हैं जिनकी गर्दन पर काफ़ी लंबे लंबे बाल होते हैं. सो that particular area, I mean neck, was completely covered with the snow. That seemed so bright. And it was, and her name was मालू भालू. उसका नाम मालू भालू था. Very soon our मालू भालू learnt the things her parents knew. Means little मालू भालू learnt the things very soon. Whatever her parents knew, जो भी उसके पेरेंट्स जानते थे, and whatever they could teach uh, to their little मालू भालू. जो पेरेंट्स जानते थे उन्होंने सब कुछ वो सिखा दिया था उस लिटिल पोलर बियर को, मालू भालू को. वट एवर दे हैड, वट एवर दे न्यू, दे टोट एवरीथिंग टू मालू भालू. फिश टू कैच, big and small, Malu Bhalu was a clever girl. Here it has been described that Malu Bhalu was a very clever girl. मालू भालू एक बहुत ही क्लेवर गर्ल थी, राइट. एंड शी वॉज बेसिकली टोट बाय हर पेरेंट्स catching the fish, that how to catch the fish, whether it is big or small. Malu said to her mother one day, Ma, I am going far out to play. One day, what happened? Malu Bhalu felt like playing something, and she wanted to go far out. वो जहाँ वो रहा करती थी उससे थोड़ी काफ़ी दूर वो जाना चाहती थी. शी वॉन्टेड टू गो फार आउट टू प्ले. शी फेल्ट लाइक प्लेइंग. And this was said by Malu Bhalu one day to her mother. एक दिन उसने अपनी मदर से कहा that she wanted to go somewhere to play, as she had desired to play. आई वॉन्ट टू सी द थिंग्स दैट लाई। मीन्स वो कुछ चीज़ों को देखना चाहती है, उनके बारे में जानना चाहती है, वहाँ जाकर खेलना चाहती है। देयर बियॉन्ड द बिग ब्लू स्काई a little patience child said mum. Malu Balu requested her mother that she wanted to go beyond the big blue sky. But her mother advised her for having patience and said, child, just have patience. Just have patience. In the summer, when next it comes, summer patience, what a test. Malu simply could not rest. Having heard such words, Malu Bhalu became restless because she could not wait for summer for patience. As mother was saying that you need to have patience, you need to have patience for next summer, but she could not do so. She she resisted her mother by saying, "Summer patience, what a test! ये कैसा इम्तिहान है माँ?" Malu simply could not rest, and she was not in condition that she could rest. Now let's continue. First things first, Malu's mom clasped Malu tight within her arms. Then she said, her voice was firm, now, my dear, you will have to swim. So somehow her mother wanted to divert her mind and taken her child just to a pool and started saying that, my child, come to me, and here is pool, and now let's swim. I just want to teach you that how to swim. अब मालू भालू की जो मदर है उसने क्या किया, उसके माइंड को डाइवर्ट करने के लिए वो उसे पूल के पास ले जाती है और कहती है, नाउ आई जस्ट हैव कम हियर टू टीच यू दैट हाउ टू स्विम, राइट, यू विल हैव टू डू swimming now. But Ma, said Malu, what do I know? How will I? I have never swum before. In reply, Malu Bhalu said that, Mom, how could I do so? How could I do swimming as I have never done it before? क्योंकि मैंने पहले कभी स्विमिंग नहीं की, then how will I perform? How will I do it? Don't worry, dear, said Malu's mother. Do as I do, that's all, she advised her. Malu Bhalu mother advised her that you don't worry about it, means I'm here, I will teach you. You have got to do the same as I do something. जो भी मैं करूँ तुम्हें उसे फॉलो करना है, कॉपी करना है. This was something said by mother to her child. She had no choice, no other way. Malu had to swim that day. So that very time she did not have any other option as she was taken near pool and so she had to do so. उसे swimming करनी पड़ी as she did not have any other option. She gripped her mother's hand, means very tightly. She held her mother's hand into the water splash to land. When she came into water and started splashing the water, brave mother's brave young daughter. Doubt and fear she left behind her. Malu swam with all her might. It did not matter wrong or right. So, with so much energy, with so much curiosity, Malu Bhalu was trying to swim there, having some doubts, having some confusions. Still, she kept on swimming there into that. और मदर बार बार चिल्ला रही थी, बेटा यस यू कैन डू, यू आर ब्रेव, you are very energetic, you can do swimming, you are doing swimming, you are swimming successfully, you are swimming peacefully. And with so much energy she was putting her efforts, learning swimming, even doing swimming. It did not matter that she was doing wrong or right, but swimming came so naturally. Her mother knew this and all could see. Her mother was aware of the swimming, that it comes naturally, but her mother wanted her not to go far just for playing. So this was the reason she diverted her mind and taken her to the pool. Fearless was Malu, this she knew, not just brave but special too. So after some time, Malu Balu looked very confident. She became fearless. Now she could do swimming, right? And she learned something special that day. So, my dear students, enough for the day. I hope you must have understood this poem. Thank you very much.